Before I start, let's do a quick exercise. I want you to imagine something. Imagine you're sitting on your couch, completely engrossed in watching your favorite TV show. The suspense is building up and you're gauging the next move. And suddenly, bam! You get a notification. This will be your last show. All content platforms are shutting down their services and you'll have no access to this content any further. There'll be panic, chaos and confusion, and all sorts of wrong emotion will be flowing through you. Why is that the case? Well, in 2020, content has become an integral part of our lives. We watch hours and hours of content every single day. At Xiaomi, we have always listened to our consumers by giving them exactly what they need. We have received a lot of love from our Mi fans and our partners, which has made us India's #1 smart TV brand for 2 consecutive years. Not just that, we have shipped over 4 million Mi TVs since our launch in Q2 2018. While we have brought smart TV experience to over 40 lakh households in India, you will be surprised to know that there are about 3.4 crores of non-smart TV users who would want to stay updated and watch the latest content. With the same vision to bring the smart TV experience to a much larger base, a couple of months ago, we introduced our first product in this category, the Mi Box 4K. The Mi Box 4K has been a runaway success. It has received a lot of love from our Mi fans and our media colleagues. So much so that today, the Mi Box 4K is one of the highest rated Android TV streaming device on Flipkart. With the same vision to bring the smart TV experience in a much more accessible and compact form factor, introducing the Mi TV Stick. Pretty compact, right? The Mi TV Stick is an extremely smart piece of tech that brings a whole world of entertainment to you by simply plugging it to any LED, LCD or even your older plasma TVs. All you need is an HDMI input on your TV and that's all. Now let me take you through to some of the big things that this tiny device is capable of doing. The beauty of the stick is I don't need a how to use manual, and neither will you. All you have to do is just plug the Mi TV Stick into the HDMI input of your TV, connect it to the internet, and there you go. You're all set to start streaming your favorite content. The Mi TV Stick works with dual band Wi-Fi and is also travel friendly. You can take it anywhere and it will work. To your friend's place, work trips, vacations, or even to your bedroom where you might not have a smart TV. With this hassle-free setup, you can simply plug it in and make it smart. Who likes watching content in low resolution? No one. We know this very well, and that is why the Mi TV Stick supports up to 1080p resolution, which means you get full high definition clarity. You can now stream content from any platform in full HD format. When you get this at home, it's not just you, but even your family that gets access to tons of content. Whether it's the stand-up special on Prime, your favorite movies on Netflix, a daily soap opera for your mother, or an animated movie for your younger sibling. That is why we have managed to get all the content platforms and 5,000 plus apps in this little stick for everyone. Every piece of entertaining content residing at one single place. Our love for our smartphone is endless, but we prefer a bigger screen when it comes to content viewing. Agree? The Mi TV Stick comes with Chromecast built-in feature. So now with just a tap, all the content on your phone is streamed directly on your TV. Isn't that crazy? Play some nice relaxing songs. With the Google Assistant built in, you can not only search for content, but you can also control your smart home devices. Now, more content means more data consumption, right? Wrong. This stick makes more content, less data possible. The data saver features on this device helps you binge up to 3 times more than usual, and it even gives you a data usage alert. Pretty smart, right? This device is powered with the 64-bit quad-core processor, which is up to 35% faster CPU performance than the competition. Be it watching a favorite movie or opening apps, everything runs smoothly. How can I forget about the sound? This portable stick comes with Dolby Audio and DTS codec support, giving you that immersive audio experience every single time. Now it's time to unveil some great offers that comes with the Mi TV Stick. We have offers from our partners like Z5, Aha Entertainment and Hungama Play for all purchases made on Mi.com for the first month. All set to buy? Let me give you a glimpse of what you'll get inside the box. The box comes with a power adapter, a micro USB cable, a clutter-free Mi remote and of course the Mi TV Stick. This remote comes with dedicated hotkeys for Google Assistant, Netflix and Prime Video for your quick access. And as I mentioned earlier, you just need to take the stick from the box, plug it into your TV's HDMI input, and with a micro USB cable, you can power it and you're all set to start without any additional wires. You must be wondering, why should I buy this? Is it worth the money? And really, what's so different about it? See it for yourself. The Mi TV Stick comes with a powerful 64-bit quad-core processor, which is up to 35% faster CPU performance than the competitor. In terms of voice search, the Mi TV Stick comes with Google Assistant, which enables you to search for content and control smart home devices with just your voice. And the two most important features, which are my personal favorite, the Chromecast built-in and Google's Data Saver, which is not available in the competitor device. Now that's the Mi TV Stick for you. We are bringing a world full of entertainment for everyone out there who owns a non-smart TV. We believe that entertainment should be accessible to everyone in the most convenient way possible. And Mi TV Stick is here to make that possible. The Mi TV Stick is going to be available at just Rs 2,799.
I'm feeling the flow, I get high. More than a drop is the more I get low. The music is lifting me up against soul. Show me a tune I can nod to. Whoa, I'm twisting the rules. Up for the fire and the fuel. When I'm packing a punch and it's knocking my track and I'm not turning back on that.
You can buy the Mi TV Stick starting August 7th at 12 noon on Mi.com, Flipkart and Mi Homes, and soon across our other offline channels. Now that's all we had to share about the Mi TV Stick with all of you guys today. Thank you so much for tuning in and see you guys in the next one.